Okay, for this week's free stock pick, we thought we'd choose a cheapie. Tenet Healthcare, THC. The market's been so strong the last few days. I almost hate to send out a free pick tonight because it just seems like the market is certainly due for a pullback. That said, well, we promised we'd send one, so here we go. At least this one's a cheap one with a average narrow range on any given day. It's pretty small. So THC spiked up the other day to 332. This was on Wednesday, July 8th, and sold off that same day. Ended up pulling back, but now has revisited that high and actually took it out. Hit 335 on Thursday. So we're going to look to buy this above Thursday's high. In other words, if it gets to 336 on Friday, keeping in mind, like we tell you every week, it's not an automatic buy if it gets to 336. Okay, if it hits 336 and the market's hitting new lows of the day at the same time, we won't take it. Also, if it opens down here at 280, that's just an exaggeration. But if it gaps down and opens anywhere down here, we're not going to take it if it runs to 336 because then it'll be short-term extended. All right, so we want it to open somewhere around Thursday's high, and then and another thing is if it triggers in the first 5 minutes, we won't take it. So we have a few rules that a few parameters it must meet first. But assuming it meets all those, we're looking to grab this around 336. And as always, we'll keep a tight stop and manage our position size so that if the stop gets hit, it won't be painful. So everyone has to decide how much that's going to be based on your own account. So I can't answer that one for you, but seems like a pretty narrow range on any given day. So it doesn't seem too dangerous here. And with the market having been up several days up, very nicely, we're going to play conservative on our free pick. We have a total of 6 on watch for tomorrow for our member page. This seemed like one of the best choices. And as always, we're going to follow up Friday night and show you what we did with it. That's kind of how we use. That's kind of how we teach what we do on a weekly basis to our free pick members. The follow-up video. So please watch the follow-up video because then we can cover why we did what we did or whether or not we even entered it. And it's kind of a good way to learn, even if it is after the fact. So have a great night and have a great weekend, and look for the follow-up video. Talk to you later.